Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday, guys. So that means you wish for songs, and I bring them up here for you on Wednesdays. And this time we have you random. I believe that's your name. You wish for a song from JOMIE featuring NO.CAPE. And this song is called Leave for Yesterday. So NO.CAPE, I believe that could be Palfu. I'm not sure there, but anyway, it's a great song. So let's go into this one. Very easy to play. So I hope you random will be satisfied with this and all you other JOMIE and perhaps Palfu fans. So let's start with a capo set here on the 6th fret because we want the cool notes here that fits for the song, basically. So capo on 6, and with that we have four different chords and grips. So that is what we're going to work with: C, G, A minor, and E minor. So let's go over the chords, and here we can actually learn the full chords. It doesn't hurt. We're not going to use all the strings for the full chords, but that will be could be nice to have with you. So we're going to start with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G next. So for this G here, we can actually just stay with the standard G chord. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have A minor next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have these 4 chords: C, G, A minor, and E minor. It goes like that almost through entire song. And we have this picking pattern that is the same as well. I'm gonna show you small differences later. But anyway, we're gonna learn this chord progression: C, G, A minor, and E minor, and how to pick it. So we're gonna start with C first. So you grab the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, 1st B, and back to 2nd on D. Then over to G, and it's enough to just hold these two in the bass here, the 3rd E and 2nd A. You're gonna play this part. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open G, and 2nd on A. Then we have A minor, hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this. So that is open A, 2nd D, and then you go that part, it will be open B, and then I hammer on the 1st B. I don't pick that, I play the open B, and then I use my index finger to hammer on this 1st B, and then I go back to the 2nd D and play that one. So A minor is slowly. Sorry for the last note there. It should be a 2nd D, of course. So like that. And then we have the E minor. It goes. So that is open E, 2nd A, open G, and back to 2nd A. And that is perhaps 95% of this song. So it goes. So on. All right, then we have at 3 different occasions here in the song. It goes, first occasion here will be at 27 seconds into this song. It goes a little bit differently. We have the same picking patterns, but the order will be this a little bit different. So I'm gonna play as soon as you finish the A minor and E minor there for an original round. You go back and play A minor 1 round. Then E minor 1 round, and then G 1 round, and have a pause there. and then it starts again back to original main part, C, G, A minor, and E minor. So this occasion happens at 27 seconds into the song, then at 1 minute and 33 seconds into the song, and the final time will be, I think this is the final round as well, at 1 minute and 53 seconds into the song. That's the spots when you're gonna play the A minor, E minor, and G, plus a bigger pause there. So that pretty much covers JOMIE's and NO.CAPE's leave for yesterday. Hope you continue to interact with me here on Gordon Guitar. Feel free to wish songs here, and perhaps it's your song next time. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar and leave a thumb up on this tutorial. And until next time, play tuned.